We're doing something special for all you Random Flicks viewers. Tonight, I'm going to be freestyling every single one of my ringtones on this phone. Starting with the classic. U.S. Let me try that again. U.S. There we go. Alright, here we go. This one's called Bounce. Yeah, I'm bouncing on the back of a truck. Or maybe it's a four-wheeler. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. I'm liking this song like the back of a car. Yeah. What do you think? 1 out of 10.
Wait, what?
What do you think? 1 out of 10, Zach?
5.
Really? I am surprised. This one's called Carbonelli. Carbonelli on my belly. Carbonelli. Carbonelli. It's on my belly. Oh, it's over. This one's called Dewdrop Step. I'm walking down the steps, walking down the freaking steps. There's dew at the bottom. Dew at the bottom. There's dew at the bottom. Dew at the bottom. 1 out of 10.
6.
6. Awesome. This one's the Illuminator. Yeah, I'm going fast like the back of a car. No one knows what I do now because I'm going on fucking great. Yeah, what do you think?
1.
Hey guys, here's a story that Zach never told me in one of our videos. So Zach slipped into a coma, okay? And when he woke up, he spoke fluent Spanish.
Zach Hess?
Zach Zillion.
No, that wasn't me.
Oh yeah, Zach Hess. Okay. Story time with Random Films. So me and my friend Zach Hess, which he's in the You Make School video and the life story of a hobo. Check him out. So we were what were we doing? We were skateboarding, and we tripped over a rock, okay? Or he tripped over. His wheel got caught in a rock. He freaking flew, okay? And he smashed his face all over the sidewalk. It was just
you might want to cut story time a little short. You have a 1 bar.
Oh, don't worry. I can get this story done. Okay, so there's a cheetah on my phone. If you want to see that, go ahead.
Can't even. Oh, you can kind of see it now. You can see it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And anyway, so he breaks his head open. He got a concussion. He slipped into a coma. And when Zach woke up, when Zach woke up, he spoke fluent Spanish.
I thought that was Noah who was going. Oh,
arriba, Oscar, No, let me try that again. Oh, arriba, Oscar,
Continue with your music.
Arriba, Oscar, alright. Next up is my ringtones. And what was the last one I did? The Illuminator?
Dude, sure.
This one's just guitar. Mexican nights, living it up. Mexican nights, taking a fight. Mexican nights, martinis. Mexican nights, pinatas. Yeah?
Yeah.
1 out of 10.
8.
8! That was worth a 10, you fuckhead.
Fine. 9.
Okay. 9. This one's called Toy Story. Reading a book to my kids in the bed. Reading about moons and good nights and good night moons and stuff.
2.
What? That's a 0. Late night. Yeah, having sex in the back of a hot tub with a black African male.
0.
That was a good one.
No.
Lee Club.
Chandler's gay.
Yeah, I came back haunted. Yeah. Dancing in clubs. Living it up. Living large like Large Marge. Alright.
3.
3, hold on, 3. This one's called Liar. You're a liar. I'm on fire. You're a liar. You're on fire, bitch.
Zeben.
Steven! No, do it again. Do it again. Alright. You're a liar. You're on fire. You're a liar.
Check battery pack.
You're on fire, bitch.
Change battery pack.
You know, it can still record after it's on there.
Okay.
Did you cut it off?
No, I did not.
Zach, can you shut it off now?